Hey everybody, it's JK. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick DIY on these blackboards slash chalkboards. It's really easy to make, really cheap to make, so just stay tuned. Okay, first you're going to need your spray paint. You can get this at Walmart. That's where I got mine. It's just chalkboard spray paint. I got mine for about now it's like $7 at Walmart. Okay, so you just want to make sure that your space or the area that you're spray painting in is protected. I'm just doing this on my balcony, which I plan to clean up later, but do not do this in the house or anywhere where, of course, it'll get on your carpet or clothes or anything like that. So just be very careful when spraying. And I do recommend that you wear a mask or something to protect your, breathing. You don't want to inhale this stuff because you just don't want to do that. So I'm going to let these dry for about 3, 4, 5 hours. So these have been sitting outside for about 4 hours, and so now I'm gonna just go ahead and write what I want to write on them. I bought this chalk also from Walmart. It's 24 different chalk pieces. They have like a little tip on them. I've used them numerous times, so some of them no longer have a tip, but anyway, they're easy for you to draw or write on anything, so I got those. And one of these is going to be for one of my teammates at work, and then the other one is just a welcome sign that I might hang on my door. Remember, these are picture frames that I got from Dollar Tree. I didn't even mention that. I got the picture frames from Dollar Tree. They have all sizes, and they're all $1 on the dot. So no matter what size you get, it'll be $1, or it should be. You can get the little tiny ones. You can get the biggest ones they have. So I just got a few different sizes of each one. And yeah, so when you do use these, or you decorate these and finish doing whatever you got to do, just be careful because these are made out of glass, and if you drop it, it will break. So there you have it. You can use these as nice little gifts. Again, it's very cheap to make them. You can just decorate your own house or whatever, give them or do whatever you want. These are just cute little fun, easy things, DIY things to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Like and comment if you want to see me make a specific thing, or if there's anything you're not really sure how to make. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.